Standard 8 Maths Chapter 11 Mensuration. Hello everyone. So in last video we have done up to question number 6 of exercise 11.2. So we'll continue with question 7. Exercise 11.2 question 7. So what does question number 7 says? The floor of a building is consist of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shape. Each of its diagonal are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter in length. Find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per meter square is 4 centimeter. So there is a floor of a building and that has been covered with 3000 tiles. So suppose this way we have covered the tile, and these number of tiles are 3000. There are 3000 tiles and these tiles are rhombus shape and their diagonals are given. So for tiles, two rhombus, suppose this is I'm drawing a small shape. This is P Q R S. So this is one diagonal PR and this is another diagonal QS. So PR and QS. So PR is 45 centimeter. So we will convert it into meter by dividing by 100. So it will come out to be 0.45 meter. Clear? This is 0.45 meter. Another diagonal is 30 centimeter. That is QS 30 centimeter or 0.3 meter. So this is the basic. So now area of floor. There are if we calculate the total area of these 3000 tiles, then we will come to know the area of floor. How to calculate the area of floor? Area of floor will be number of tiles into area of one tile. Okay, this is the basic method how to calculate the area of the floor. Now area of floor, number of tiles are 3000 and area of one tile will be, since it is of rhombus shape, it will be half product of diagonals, that is 0.45 into 0.3. So this is the area of one tile. So it is simple. This is 100, this is 10. Now this is cancelled. So we have 3 into 45 into 3 upon 2. Yes. Okay. This is 9 into 45 upon 2. This will be the area meter square. 405 upon 2. So the total cost will be area into cost per meter square. So area is 405 upon 2 and cost of 1 meter per square will be this. So this is 810 rupees. So 810 rupees cost of this floor. Clear? I hope this is clear. So we'll move to next question. So next question is question number 8. So question number 8. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Its side along river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. Okay. So if the area of this field is 10500 meters square, the perpendicular distance between two parallel sides is 100 meter. Find the length of side along the river. So this is basically a trapezium shape. This perpendicular distance is 100 meter. Here it is. This is road side, and here it is river side. Okay, now one is given its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. So this side which is onto the river side, this side is twice this side which is along the road side. So if it is, suppose this road side length is x, so river side length will be 2x. That means this complete distance will be 2x and this distance will be x. So we have to find its length of side along the river, and its area is also given to us. Area is 10500 meter square. Suppose this is A, B, C, D and this is E. So area of trapezium ABCD will be half sum of parallel side, that is AB plus CD into this perpendicular distance between two parallel sides. Okay. So this is given 1050, area of trapezium is given. This is, and this is x and this is 2x. So x plus 2x into 100. Clear? So if we calculate, this is 1050. This will be 1 by 2. X plus 2x will be 3x and this is 100. So from here this 2 will go to that side, this 100 will go to denominator. So from here 3x will be 10500 into 2 upon 100. Okay. So this is 3x equals to 210 and x will be equal to 210 upon 3. 210 upon 3, that is 70. So this road side length will be 70 meter and river side length will be twice of that, that is, so AB will be 2 into 70, that comes out to be 140 meters. So this was the length of the side which is along the river. Now ninth question. The top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of regular octagon shown in the figure. Find the area of octagonal surface. So we have to find. Okay. So if we have to name this A, B, this is C, D, E, F, G, H. Clear? Regular octagon you have. So this GD, length of GD is given as 11 meter. Clear? Length of this, suppose this is termed I, this is 4 meter and this is 5 meter. We have to find the area. Now how to find the areas? As I've explained, either we can triangulate them, or we can means we can divide it into different triangles, or we just divide it into different figure. Now if we see, if I draw one more line, that is HC. This is a trapezium, that is GFED is a trapezium, because these are two parallel lines and this is the distance between them. This is the shape of trapezium. This ABCH is also a shape of trapezium, and this HCDG, this is a shape of a rectangle. If we calculate the individual area of this figure, so we can add them up and we can calculate the area of this octagon. So if this is 4, this will be also be 4, because this is a regular octagon. Okay, this is 5, this centimeter, this is 5, this will be 5, and this will be 11. Okay, so area of octagon will be area of trapezium GDEF, GDEF plus area of rectangle GHCD, area of rectangle GHCD, plus area of this trapezium ABCH, area of trapezium ABCH. Area of this trapezium ABCH will be equal to GFED. Okay, because this is a regular octagon. If regular octagon, so each side will be 5 meter. Okay, this will be 5, these all sides are 5, because regular polygon is equiangle and equilateral, each angle and each side is equal, so this will also be 5. So area of trapezium GCD will be half sum of parallel side, this is 5 plus 11 into distance into perpendicular distance, that is 4, plus area of rectangle will be L into B, that is 5, 11 into 5, that is 11 into 5, plus again this area of trapezium, it will be half sum of parallel side, that is 5 plus 11 into this perpendicular distance, that is 4. So this is 2, 2 is 5, in 5 plus 11, this is 16 into 2, plus that 11 into 5, and this is again 16 into 2. So this is 32 plus 55 plus 32. So this is 9. Clear? So area of this octagon will be 119 meter square. I hope it is clear. Now question number 10. So question number 10 says, there is a regular pentagon shaped mark in shown in the figure. For finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided it into two different ways. Find the area of this park using both ways. Can you suggest some other way of finding the area? So first we draw the pentagon. Pentagon means having 5 these sides are equal. This is 15 meter. This is 15 meter. This is 15 meter. And this total is 30 meter. If this total is 30 meter and this is 15, so if we draw a line, this particular distance will be 15, because total is 13 and this much is 15. So this will be again 15 meter. Now how Jyoti has drawn? Jyoti has calculated by dividing into This is Jyoti's way. Okay. And Kavita, she has done like this. Okay, this is how Kavita has calculated. So Jyoti has calculated area of this pentagon by dividing this pentagon into two equal trapezium. Okay, this is a trapezium, this is a perpendicular distance, and these are the parallel side. Clear? So from, if you are calculating, this is 15, this is 30, and this will be 7.5. Okay. Okay. So first we calculate how is Jyoti is calculating the area. Okay. Now Jyoti will calculate the area of pentagon. Area of pentagon in case of Jyoti's diagram, it will be twice the area of this trapezium, because these are two equal trapezium. There are two equal trapezium. So if we calculate the area of one trapezium and we will just double it, we will find the area of pentagon. So it is twice the area of trapezium. So twice the area of trapezium will be, this is 1 by 2. Parallel sides are 15 and 30. And perpendicular distance, this will be 7.5. Clear? This way Jyoti will calculate. So this will cancel out, and when we calculate, this will be 45 into 7.5. This is come out to be 337.5 meters square. Okay. Kavita will calculate like this is 15, this is 15, this 15. So this Kavita has divided this pentagon into two shapes. One is triangle and one is square. So first Kavita will calculate like area of pentagon. It will be equal to area of this triangle, that will be equal to half. Base is 15 and height is also 15, plus area of this square, because this is a square shape. Area of square will be 15 square, or 15 into 15. So this is 225 upon 2 plus 225. So when we calculate, it will be 337.5 meters square. Okay, so this will area of any figure, whether we calculate by any method, area for particular figure will remain same. Okay, so this way they both have calculated the area. Now they have asked whether there is another uh, method by which we can calculate the area. Yes, we can calculate. We can triangulate, we can divide it into different triangles. We will join these two vertex and these two vertex. This is triangle 1, this is 2, this is 3. All the dimension has been given to us. We will calculate the area of these three triangles, and we will add the map to get the area of this pentagon. We will divide it into three triangles. Now question number 11. Question number 11 says diagram of a adjacent picture frame has outer dimension 24 into 28 centimeter, inner dimension 16 into 20 centimeter. Find the area of each section of the frame if the width of each section is same. So this is the outer dimensions are 24 into 28 and inner dimension are 16 into 20. This is 16 centimeter and this is 20 centimeter. Okay, we have to find the area of each section. Each section means this much part, and they have given all four sections are same. So what we have to calculate? First we will find this area of shaded portion, because this is the area of width of the this frame. So how we can calculate it? This area will be, if we subtract area in this smaller area or the inner frame from this outer area, we will get this area, as I have explained in one of the examples. So first we will calculate this. So area of width of frame will be outer area minus inner area. Outer area and inner area, these both are what? These are both shape of a rectangle. So outer area will be 28 into 24 minus inner area is 16 into 20. Fine. Okay, so it comes out to be 672 minus 320. This is 352. Area of this shaded portion, meter square or centimeter square. Centimeter square. Okay. So this is a total area. So area of each section, because this particular area has consist of four sections. Okay. So area of each section will be, we will divide this total area by 4. So area of each section will be 352 by 4. This is 88 centimeter square. Okay. So there is one small mistake. Area of each section to along the length and along the breadth will be same. Means area of this section will be same and area of this section will be same. Fine. I will draw it again. There is an inner area. Dimension are 16 and 20. This is outer dimension. This is 24 and this is 28. So this section means this section and upper one means along the length. This will be same. If I am terming it each section, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So area of 1 and 3 will be same and second and 4 will be same. Okay. So how we have to calculate? These are the side shape of a trapezium. So this side is 24. This is 16. How to calculate this side? Now see, this whole length is 28 and this much length means this much length is 20. So the remaining portion will be 4 and 4. Okay, this remaining portion will be 4 and 4 because this whole is 28, this is 20, so it will be 4 plus 20 plus 4. This then only it comes will be 28. Fine. So area of this, area of first part will be, since it is a shape of trapezium, will be half sum of parallel side, that is 16 plus 24 into distance between, this is 4. So this is 2, 40 into 2, that is 80 centimeter square. So area of 1 and 3 will be 80 centimeter square. Okay, because these are along the length. Now if we calculate the area of second and fourth. So this is also a shape of trapezium. This is 20, this is 28. Now we have to calculate this width. So it will be 4 because width of all the sections are same. So area of second part will be This will be sum of parallel side, that is half 20 plus 28 into 4. Okay, this will be, it will get cancelled out. This is 48 into 2. This is 96 meter square. So second and fourth will have 96 centimeter square area. Okay, so this was width was same, only was the difference of these dimensions. Okay, so this way you have to calculate. So sorry for that, way in which I have explained earlier. You have to follow this one. You have to find the shape of these trapezium. Okay, clear. So we will come up with next topic like cylinder, cubes, cuboid. These shapes we'll discuss in our next video. Thank you.